Hello guys, welcome to the new video. It's officially day 5 of using 50,000 capital for the 50 trading days. So in the yesterday session, I had informed that in the video wherein I had told about that I'm carrying 20,000 50p for this weekly expiry. What I squared up this position at 95 because early morning we saw a gap down and wherein price went down to around level of 20,029. But however, I was anticipating a little bit sideways momentum or a fall towards this. But in the first candle itself, there was a huge wick. So then I waited for the price to form. Let I was thinking that there might be a because of this two candle, I was anticipating that there might be a fall. But however, the Nifty gave a breakout after the morning price was taken out, and then I squared off at this position itself. But however, I was confident about this trade. But the candle formation at this point was not it was great, but it was not helping out with my trade. So when what I did is at 9:40, sorry, exactly at 9:44, I squared off my position. This is the option chart of the 20,200 20,050p, wherein in 9:44 candle itself, in this candle itself I closed off around 95 rupees is the trailing SL, very nice. So with this trade, I booked a loss of 9,300 from the overnight trade which I had taken. However, in the intraday basis, this was gone early morning to around 106 to 110. However, later in the second half, as we saw, there was a crackdown in the Nifty, and Nifty made a low of around similar to the yesterday's low, wherein 969, wherein yesterday's low was around 963, and today's low is around 969. So, with respect, however, I would have gained another 20 to 30 points, but because of the sideways momentum and the premium was decaying very fast. So, and even it made a low of 868 rupees. So, hence I had squared off my position at 95. So it's fine. I wanted to concentrate on other trades, so hence I booked a trade early morning before this trade. Wherein closing this yesterday's overnight position, I bought at 919 and I squared off at 922 the 22,100 PE. Wherein if I go to the Nifty chart at 910, 920 exactly, this is the candle wherein I entered, where the Nifty was around making exactly, if you see, at 919. And let me close this at 919. This is where the candle, and exactly I executed my trade somewhere in between the trade, and in the next candle itself at 922 I squared off my position with trailing SL, wherein I bought around two lots at 117.5, and I squared off the position with trailing SL of 130. So wherein I was able to gain around almost 12.5 points from this, wherein 12 and a half 1,250 where I was able to gain in this trade, wherein again I took the same trade. This is a 22,100 P for this weekly expiry. Then what I did is similarly, if at 9:52, exactly the price action was at this point, wherein I made in this candle the entry, wherein anticipation the because yesterday's price action was somewhere there. Nifty had taken one resistance, and then there was a sideways consolidation and a breakout. So what I did is exactly at this point I made an entry, and with a SL of yesterday's high, and I executed my trade somewhere here, I guess. So let me show you the wherein I bought around 200 quantities at this point, with this 2200 P, and I squared off my position with almost 5.5 rupees, wherein I gained around 1,000 rupees from this trade. So overall in this 20,100, wherein I took two trades, I was able to gain overall, if I come to the position chart over here, I have around I made around 22,100 PE, wherein I was able to gain around 2,500 rupees overall cumulative in the both trades. And then in the at 22,100, wherein monthly I bought monthly P of around three quantities at and an average around 191 was the average from these three lots. And then I squared off my position at 1 at 207. Exactly why I made is that at 920, if I come to the sorry, 10:20 is the time wherein I entered this trade. At 10:20 is the price similar price action wherein the Nifty in this time I had taken the position for weekly expiry. The similar pattern was formation was there like a double top pattern formation. So hence I thought of like this neckline will be taken out, but however there was a sideways momentum breakout, and then there was a sideways momentum. So hence I added one lot. and I squared off the position with trailing SL. However, after that I trade, there was a fall. So, but with this trade, I was able to gain around 2200 from this 100 or one trade and this two trades. So overall, cumulatively, I was able to book around minus like full loss of 4,300, and still I am carrying some overnight position wherein I am carrying monthly expiry trade with 22,050 PE. I know this trade which I booked the loss over here tomorrow for sure. It will today it made an high of 150. So tomorrow also I anticipate like this at least it will go till 180 to 200 points. But because of the sideways momentum and the premium decay, and today and Nifty expiry was also there. So there was a lot of volatility. Hence, this weekly premium was uh, decaying very fastly. But as of now, let's see tomorrow, like at what premium this will close. So that's it for today's video, and I'll be updating about the trades that I'll be taking in the coming days. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.